G'day humans, Stead here. Got a quick unboxing for you. This time it's the new drone from DJI. It's the DJI Neo, which is a very interesting product actually. I really don't know how the experience is going to be, so make sure you keep an eye on the channel because I will do a review of it. And I'm a huge fan of the Mini 4 Pro. I use that all the time for a lot of my travel content. But this is a very different experience. So yeah, keen to dive in and know more. But in this video, quick unboxing. And look, ignore the not for sale. That's just because it's a review unit that was sent to me from DJI to check out for this channel. All right, let's have a look and see what is inside. Okay, what have we got in this box? Something that doesn't want to come out. Oh, geez, batteries. They've all lit up. So this must be the kit, isn't it? Yeah, this must be the kit. This is the Fly More combo. Yeah, so the Fly More combo, which is generally, if this is going to be your drone, it's a pretty sweet deal. Like this is across the DJI products because you usually get longer lasting batteries, better. On this particular example, sometimes you get the better remote as well. But if you're just mucking around for fun, you could probably get the lesser package. Or if you've already got DJI product, then you may not need some of the extra features. Or this is a very different battery size. Trying to miss you. So it comes with 3 batteries. Very small. And very quite light as well. They mustn't last too long. And oh, what is that? It's like a lightning cable. Really? Using lightning all of a sudden? Anyway. And a screw. And whatever fell out of there. Okay. I've got the remote. So this is the base unit. I'm assuming this is the same, in the same ecosystem as, oh, it's very different actually. Oh. Okay, we'll have to look into that a bit more during the review. I assumed this was a similar beast to the Mini 4 Pro controller. I actually figured that I could just use my Mini 4 controller that has the big, beautiful HD screen on it to fly this thing, but maybe not. Because you don't actually need a remote. That's one of the cool things about this Neo apparently, is you don't need a remote, it just does something. Anyway, as you can see, I'm very much still exploring what this product has to offer. What I can see though is that there's supposed to be 2 little screws to put on top, and where are they stored? Oh, look at that. Okay, so definitely different to what I was expecting. I really was just expecting the same classic DJI remote, but this is a different thing altogether. So, I mean, it's still got a lot of the same similarities. It's still got the record feature over here, the button. Even that's slightly different, isn't it? Okay, all right, lots of experimentation to do, and I've got to find out, oh, there they are. There's your little analog sticks, secreted away in here. So very different design. Interesting. And here is the drone itself. Oh, it's so small. Wow, oh, that's without the battery in it. So let's just do that for shits and giggles. Right, so that's what it looks like with the battery in. You know, we've got the USB-C directly in the back as well, so I'm guessing that means you can charge directly through the device. You don't have to put it in this, but there also could be some internal storage that you might be able to get stuff off through that. I'll have to look into that more. But such small little rotors, look at that. Tiny, I don't know how much that weighs. I reckon less than 200 grams. Maybe not with a battery. And then DJI's rather awesome camera on the front. I wonder if that's still got the really big sensor. Okay, what else have we got in here? It's a couple of extra rotary blades, but this is pretty well protected. You'd have to stick something through there. Maybe a branch, I guess, could go through there. Quite a thick manual, and the thing. All right, let's have a look. Quick start guide. thank you. Some stickers, thanks. Information notices, accessory user guide. So a lot of paperwork here. Safety guidelines, far out. There's a lot going on, isn't there? And what's this? QR code. Okay, well, there you go. That's a look at everything you're getting inside the Fly More combo, should have brought that up at the start, of the DJI Neo drone. As a regular user of a DJI drone, I'm feeling a little bit like I need to learn a few things here. So that's exciting. All right. Thank you very much for watching my DJI Neo unboxing. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel. There will be more content coming up. I'll absolutely be putting this through its paces and seeing how it compares with some of the other things on the market that I've been using and whether or not this is going to deliver the experience that you're after. So keep your eyes out for content very soon. All right, I'm Stead. Till next time, I'll check you later.